Dearest brothers and sisters, I'm Jesse with Living Tree Community Foods. We're here in downtown Berkeley, home of one of the world's greatest universities, a center of creativity, innovation, and recreation. And today we're going to be making a very special ice cream. What about a strawberry, blueberry, kiwi ice cream? You think you can handle that? Let's begin. Let's begin with frozen bananas. Doesn't that look scrumptious? Let's give it a few more. And now how about some strawberries, which we've also frozen. Beautiful reddish color. And now, but of course, what about the first organic blueberries of the season? And now what about some kiwi? Some slices of mango for pizzazz. And now, lemon juice, but of course, And maybe a bit of our almond butter. Alive and organic. Created from almond, grown by the Schwartz family. 5 generations on the land. That is in the Great Central Valley, once an inland sea. Bounded on the west, bounded on the east by the towering Sierras, on the west by the coastal mountain range, and the water for the almond trees, almonds take a lot of water, comes from melting snow in the high Sierras. So we are privileged indeed to add our almond butter, okay, and maybe a bit of our cashew butter. And a bit of walnut butter. Mm-hmm. 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 Let's put this in another receptacle. You'll have to admit that it looks compelling with the swirls of yellow and red. And let us add, if we may be permitted, some avocado for ecstasy and for joy. Mm-hmm. And maybe a bit of mango, why not? Want to give it a bit of Royal Himalayan pink crystal salt to elicit the flavors. And here, my dearest of friends, we have it, if you can imagine, a strawberry, blueberry, kiwi, mango ice cream, or let's call it an ice cream, enhanced by our almond butter our walnut butter, and our cashew butter. The treasures of our company. Our privilege to share. We want to hear your comments. You might even want to give us a like and even hit the subscribe button down below. And let us go forward. Let us empower ourselves. That's what all these foods are about. Empowering ourselves, because we have a bit of work to do, such as bringing back the buffalo, reforesting the Great Plains, every schoolyard an edible schoolyard, every public park an edible landscape. Join your community garden. They need your input. They need your good energy. They need your thoughts and creativity. Our privilege to share. Please comment. Your critiques are treasured by us. Let us go forward, and thank you kindly indeed.